How to withdraw Sweatcoin to Gcash. Now, first of all, everybody knows that you cannot immediately or directly withdraw Sweatcoin directly to Gcash because Sweatcoin does not have direct withdrawal to Gcash. Now, I'm going to be providing you alternative ways of doing this. So first things first, we all know that you could actually purchase anything that is integrated with Sweatcoin Shop by using your Sweatcoin balance. The other thing that you can do if you would like to withdraw the current coins from your balance is just to withdraw it first directly into your PayPal account. So before doing so, make sure that you already linked PayPal payment method on your Sweat account. Now, once you've successfully transferred all the Sweat coins balance that you have into your PayPal account, that's the time that you can go ahead and withdraw the fund that you have from Sweatcoin to PayPal and PayPal Gcash. So I believe that's pretty much it. That's the most convenient way of withdrawing your specific Sweatcoin balance into your Gcash.